Ever felt like you're spinning your wheels, dreaming of your own online store, but stuck at the starting line? Like you've got the passion, the drive, maybe even the killer product idea, but where do you actually find those products? How do you know you're not getting scammed? How do you even begin to navigate the wild west of online sourcing? Music fades out completely. Yeah, I've been there. We've all been there. You scour the internet, endless Google searches, promises of wholesale deals that seem too good to be true, and frankly, a lot of information that just leaves you more confused than when you started. That's because the online marketplace, while brimming with opportunity, is also riddled with pitfalls. You're constantly bombarded with the fear of counterfeit goods, unreliable suppliers, and hidden fees that can eat into your profits before you even make a sale. Think about it. You want to build a real business, a sustainable brand. You don't want to gamble your hard-earned money on some shady overseas supplier that might disappear overnight. You need a reliable, trusted platform, a roadmap to navigate the complexities of sourcing. And that's where SaleHoo comes in. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's address the elephant in the room. SaleHoo isn't a magic button that instantly makes you a millionaire. It's a tool, a powerful one, but a tool nonetheless. It's like a compass for your e-commerce journey, guiding you towards verified suppliers and legitimate products. It won't build your store for you, but it will give you the foundation you need to build a successful dropshipping or wholesale business. So, how does it actually work? Let's break it down into its core components. First and foremost, SaleHoo is a supplier directory. Imagine a meticulously curated database of thousands of pre-vetted suppliers, both domestic and international. These aren't just random listings scraped from the internet. SaleHoo's team rigorously checks each supplier, verifying their legitimacy, ensuring they offer genuine products, and confirming they have a proven track record. This process is crucial. It eliminates the guesswork and minimizes the risk of dealing with fraudulent or unreliable suppliers. Think of it like this: you're not just getting a list of names and contact information. You're getting access to a network of trusted partners, suppliers who have been thoroughly vetted and approved. This saves you countless hours of research and due diligence, allowing you to focus on building your brand and growing your business. But SaleHoo is more than just a directory. It's a comprehensive platform designed to empower e-commerce entrepreneurs. They offer a range of tools and resources that go beyond simply connecting you with suppliers. One of the key features is their market research labs. This tool allows you to analyze product trends, identify high-demand niches, and assess the competition. You can see what products are selling well, what keywords are trending, and what profit margins you can expect. This data-driven approach is essential for making informed decisions about what products to sell. You're not just guessing what might sell. You're using real data to identify profitable opportunities. Imagine being able to see exactly what products are hot right now, what keywords people are searching for, and how much competition you'll face. This level of insight is invaluable for any e-commerce entrepreneur. Another crucial aspect of SaleHoo is their training and support. They provide a wealth of educational resources, including guides, tutorials, and webinars, covering everything from product selection and supplier negotiation to marketing and customer service. They also have a dedicated support team that's available to answer your questions and provide assistance. Starting an online business can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. Having access to expert guidance and support can make all the difference. SaleHoo's training resources are designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed. Now, let's talk about the different types of suppliers you'll find on SaleHoo. They cater to a wide range of business models, including dropshipping, wholesale, and private labeling. Dropshipping. This model allows you to sell products without holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, you simply forward it to your supplier, who ships the product directly to the customer. SaleHoo provides access to a network of dropshipping suppliers who offer a wide variety of products. Wholesale. This model involves buying products in bulk at discounted prices and then reselling them at a profit. SaleHoo's wholesale directory features suppliers who offer competitive wholesale prices on a wide range of products. Private labeling. This model allows you to create your own branded products by partnering with a manufacturer. SaleHoo can help you find manufacturers who can produce custom products according to your specifications. Let's address a common concern: the cost. SaleHoo is a subscription-based service, which means you pay a fee to access their platform. While some may view this as an expense, it's important to consider it an investment. The cost of a SaleHoo subscription is significantly less than the potential losses you could incur from dealing with unreliable suppliers or investing in unprofitable products. Think of it as insurance. You're paying a small fee to protect yourself from costly mistakes and to gain access to a wealth of valuable resources. Now, let's walk through a simplified scenario to illustrate how SaleHoo works in practice. Let's say you're interested in selling pet supplies. You log into your SaleHoo account and use the market research labs to identify trending pet products and high-demand niches. You discover that eco-friendly pet toys are currently in high demand. Next, you use the supplier directory to find verified suppliers who offer eco-friendly pet toys. You can filter your search by location, product category, and supplier type. You contact several suppliers, request samples, and negotiate pricing. Once you've selected a supplier, you create listings for your products on your chosen e-commerce platform, such as Shopify or Etsy. When a customer places an order, you simply forward it to your supplier, who ships the product directly to the customer. Throughout the process, you can access SaleHoo's training resources and support team for assistance. In essence, SaleHoo streamlines the entire process of finding reliable suppliers and launching an online business. It provides you with the tools, resources, and support you need to succeed. It's important to understand that SaleHoo isn't a guaranteed path to riches. Like any business venture, success requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. However, SaleHoo can significantly increase your chances of success by providing you with a solid foundation and minimizing the risks associated with sourcing products online. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.